On November 1, 1880 in Berlin, Germany, Alfred Wegener was born. Son of Anna and Richard Wegener, he had 4 siblings, Kurt, Kate, Willie and Tony Wegener. He specialized in astronomy, meteorology, and physics at university. Wegener completed his PhD degree in astronomy in 1905. Age 24, he believed he could make a greater contribution in meteorology. In that same year, Wegener started work as a scientist at a meteorological station near the small German town of Beeskow. Wegener was delighted to be appointed as the official meteorologist for the Denmark scientific expedition. During the expedition, he built his mark by taking atmospheric readings using kites and balloons. In 1912, age 32, Wegener published 2 papers proposing that Earth's continents moved. His work on continental drift was interrupted by an expedition to Greenland in the outbreak of World War I. Wegener was conscripted into the German army. While recovering from a wound in 1915, he wrote and published his groundbreaking book The Origin of Continents and Oceans. He proposed the idea that all of the modern-day continents had been clumped together in a supercontinent called Pangaea. His theory was ridiculed and largely forgotten. In November of 1930, age 50, Wegener passed away, not knowing that his continental drift theory was about to blast off. Only 10 years later, in 1960, researchers discovered that earthquakes tend to occur in specific places rather than spreading out over the whole Earth. Scientists also discovered surprising magnetic variations near undersea ridges. Earth's crust is broken up into 20 sections called tectonic plates. When these plates press together and then move suddenly, energy is released. Plate tectonics also explains the stripes of rock on the seafloor with alternating magnetic properties. The theory was proposed by researchers who built on Wegener's original idea of continental drift. The theory of plate tectonics is more complete than the theory of continental drift. As more observations are made, scientists revise their theories to be more accurate.